Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the beauty and power of the English language. I'm Alex, your host, and I'm so glad you've joined me today. Our word of the day is breathing. This is a B1 level noun that means the act of taking in air. It's something we all do every moment of every day, but how often do we stop to think about the word itself? Breathing is essential for life, and it's often used to describe not just the physical process, but also moments of calm, relief, or even effort. For example, you might hear someone say, "After running up the hill, I was out of breathing," or "Deep breathing helps me relax during stressful moments." Let's explore some synonyms for breathing. Words like respiration, inhalation, and exhalation are closely related. For instance, the doctor checked the patient's respiration to ensure everything was normal, or inhaling deeply, she enjoyed the fresh mountain air. Each of these words describes a specific aspect of breathing, but they all capture the essence of taking in air. Now, let's look at antonyms. Words like suffocation and asphyxiation highlight situations where breathing is obstructed or impossible. For example, without proper ventilation, the room became a danger zone for suffocation. These contrasting words remind us of the vital role breathing plays in our lives. In everyday life, we use the word breathing in many different ways. You might say, "The room was so quiet, you could hear everyone's breathing," or "She paused for a moment of calm, focusing on her breathing before continuing her presentation." It's also used metaphorically, as in "the city seemed alive, its streets breathing with energy and movement." Here are some additional examples of breathing in sentences. He practiced deep breathing to prepare for his speech. The scuba diver adjusted his equipment to ensure smooth breathing underwater. Yoga classes often include exercises that emphasize mindful breathing. That brings us to the end of today's episode. Let's quickly recap. The word breathing is a B1 level noun that refers to the act of taking in air. It's often associated with calmness and life itself. We've explored its synonyms like respiration and inhalation, as well as its antonyms like suffocation. I hope these examples help you feel more confident using the word breathing in your own conversations. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support means the world to us and helps others discover the show. I'd love to hear your creative sentences using the word breathing, so share them in the comments. Until next time, take a deep breath, stay curious, and keep learning. Thanks for listening.